Click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen to go to your Stripe settings. Select the Payments option under the Product Settings section and choose on Adaptive Pricing option. On this page, switch on the toggle on the Enable Adaptive Pricing, and you are good to go. Now your Stripe payment can automatically convert your customer currency. For example, this is my product, a dog walker, with the basic price of 120 US dollar. And then when I add it as one of my payment link and open it in the UK network, there is an option to choose a currency between the basic price in the USD or the currency in the GBP or using pound sterling. So the currency will be automatically converted according to your customer or client places. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.